we'd like to talk about joy and gratitude in our first message to humans of Earth. These two frequencies are energies you can easily identify with. You've experienced joy thousands of times in your lifetime when celebrating, watching your first child take their first few steps, and when giving and receiving gifts. You are experts in this emotion you call joy. Use it now, feel it now, unconditionally as you travel along consciously on your ascension path. Joy will lead you easily into the gates of ascension. Another high-frequency energy is gratitude. Spend more time each day deliberately feeling this energy and expressing this energy. And your actions and thoughts will always be positive as you engage the energy of your heart. Your heart holds so many gifts for you to access, and it will never ever run dry. Your heart is the constant connection to Source, not so much the crown chakra. The crown is the entry point for all downloads and light codes to enter. They then travel down to your other chakras to finally land in your heart, where your sacredness resides. So open your heart to your own sacredness, be more in your heart space, and use the gifts of the divine to flow to you and through you. You always have a choice on how you choose to use those gifts. Communicate with your higher self on the best way, and many ways you can express yourself, ways that are natural to you. Your higher self knows you best and is the best guide for you in every lifetime. It also knows what you need to accelerate on your journey and what you need to release. So there are 3 simple steps or actions you can take. 1. Use the energy of joy unconditionally. 2. Use the energy of gratitude to remain in your heart space and live from that space. 3. Communicate with your own higher self for daily guidance. When you do this daily, you'll find yourself more in harmony with your 4th density Earth or 5D Earth, as many of you are more familiar with. This is how you can match your energy to the Earth that's already ascended. And know this, when a human's intention is to ascend, there's no stopping the human. They will receive all the help from the Earth plane and beyond. One's lack of commitment is all that stands in the way of their intention. We are the Apunian Council of Light, and we bid you farewell for now. Adonai.